Yo, what up, dudes? How's it going? My hair this morning, oh my god. Excuse my hair, my god, like, look at this. It's just going straight ahead. I don't know what's up with my hair right today. I had a shower last night. I don't know. Because it's the morning. My hair's like, look at it. Look at it. It's like coming out like 10 billion miles. But welcome back, guys, to another... Oh my god, this is annoying me so much. Should really like get some gel or wax on it. But welcome back, guys, to some more device mod development. And today we got something exciting to work on because we're not working on the new update. We're not working on the update because it's pretty much ready to go. I just need to, I'm talking about 0.2.0. That's pretty much finished. I crunched a lot of bugs. Cray bug crunched, as you could say. Cray bug crunched. So I'm gonna be releasing that maybe tonight or tomorrow. So, maybe tonight actually, because it's Friday. It was Friday for me. So I'm gonna release that tonight, so you guys can start playing with it and start using the new update. But yeah, today we're working on a new feature. Today we are working on a new feature, and it is notifications. It is notifications, or toast, whatever you like to call it. In Android they're called there's notifications in Android, but there's things called toast, which are kind of just like little information messages that pop up. I don't know if it's appropriate to call them toast in Minecraft, even though I don't think Minecraft call it toast. It's what Forge calls it toast. So yeah, I don't know. But welcome back, guys. I see you guys in the chat here. Welcome back to my sponsors. We got Jake Crowley, Tyrell Plays, Zontic, Bloxyway. Welcome back, guys, to the live show. Welcome back to everybody else as well. I see you guys all in the chat there, welcoming yourself to the live stream. What up, guys? How's everybody doing today? How's everybody doing? Hashtag notification squad. Who came from post notifications, guys? Let me know if you came from the notification squad. Cause y'all a real one. Y'all a real one if you came from the notification squad. But I'll go ahead and I'm going to show you guys the progress so far with this. And if you guys are excited for this live stream today, make sure you go ahead and snap that like button. Snap it right in half. Let's see if we can go for, I don't know, 50 likes. It's a little bit different because a lot of people aren't off of school. Yeah, we need to fix something. Hold up, guys. Give me 2 seconds here. You're going to see a black screen. It's just for my safety. Blah, 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 blah. Alright, sorry about that. Alright, we can load up now. Me? Can you add toys to your furniture mod? Because I'm trying to make a roleplay world. I don't know if I would add toys. It doesn't make sense to it. Furniture, not toy mod. But thanks for the suggestion anyway. Thank you for that suggestion anyway. I'm Notification Squad. Yeah, we got a bunch of you guys. Discord Squad. I came from Notification Squad. That's right. You guys are awesome. You guys are a real one. Alrighty. But yeah, get excited for this because this is a cool new change which is happening to the mod. And it's going to be a cool feature that you guys can actually utilize in your own applications and that type of stuff. It's a bit more of a different design. It's a bit more advanced, I would say, because everything has to be sent from the server, and as you know, applications are all really client-based only. So you're gonna be kind of, I mean, because I'm gonna be implementing this into Endermail, as this has been like a requested feature. So it's a little bit more of an advanced feature on how to use it properly. So let's go into example here and get ready, guys. So I'm just gonna press this down button and have a look. Have a look at this new notification, new email. How cool is that? So basically, what I want to do is if we actually receive kind of like a, you know, one of those notifications, if you're actually in the laptop, make it render like here. I'm hoping I can do that. Make it render like there instead. But so far, it's pretty cool, isn't it? What do you guys think? What do you guys think? We can also change it around for here. So if we want, we can go something like, check your inbox. Do that. Alright. And ready? Watch this. So if we do that now, it says new email, check your inbox. So you can actually customize the icon however you like as well. So here we could actually do something more appropriate. Do the mail icon. And then here you go. Ready? New email, check your inbox. So how cool is that? How cool is that? So it's going to be a new notification system. Hopefully, you know, we can get it. You know, it's pretty much in a working state at the moment anyway. So like, I really want to implement this into Endermail, and we're going to try attempt it today. Cray, my like button. Cray, I broke my like button, Cray. Can I get another one? Unfortunately, I can't dish them out. They're rare. They're rare, my dude. So you only get one per live stream. If you break it, it's gone. It's gone. But I appreciate if you've broken your like button, guys. Have you added a settings icon? That's one thing I can't do. It's too difficult. I mean, we've got this icon down here. We've got we've also got, like, you know, a wrench and a hammer tool. But like, to do a cog right, to create a cog in a 10 by 10 area is very, very difficult. If any of you guys can do it, you're probably like, you're probably Jesus or something like that, because it's impossible. It is impossible to do. I am in the car, so I can't hear you, so I'll be late to the stream. So when you see this, please make a thumbs up at the camera when you see this. My like button also broke. Oh my god, everybody's likes button's broken. Where's my music gone, hey? It literally just stopped. First song. People like, play a little bit. Play a little bit, it's the best song. But yeah, what do you guys think? What do you guys think? 11 out of 10? 10 out of 10? 1 out of 10? So we're going to be working on this today and actually, you know, implementing it into some applications, because it's already much built. I've already built it. It was like a very easy feature to do, because like this is already built into Minecraft 1.12. It's already built into Minecraft 1.12, so you can easily just utilize it, which is actually kind of good. Like, seriously, all it is you create a class, implement this thing called iToast, right? You get a render method here, and then if you want to add it to the screen, just do Minecraft get toast GUI add, and then add your instance of, you know, your class. Pretty easy, pretty easy if you ask me. So you can just do that. So what I want to do is make it so when you actually do receive an email, it says like new email from blah 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 username. So we're going to attempt to do this today now. I think I do have something to commit. What was this? What was that going? Oh. Say fixed. Fixed subtitle not being optional. Improved. One line. approved of the title. Without subtitle. Kaboom. There we go. Alright. So what we're going to do now is we're actually going to start implementing this into Endermail. Now, should be pretty easy. It should literally be like the easiest thing I've ever done. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to stop this. Let's have a look on the actual server here. So this is all we have to do. You create a new notification and then you say notification push to player. It could be a little bit different, but like, I don't know. Could be, I don't know, I feel like the design's fine for the use. The design is fine for the use here. Because like, if you really wanted to, you could like, I don't know, create like, maybe you have like a notification that you use all the time. You could just create like a public static notification. Public static final notification, and then you could just like, you know, whenever you want to send that same notification, you can just use that and then push it to a player. Cray, how do you become a regular in your Discord? So to become a regular on Discord, you have to be a device API developer. So you have to be developing apps. You probably want to try and aim to get your actual application listed here. So this is the dependents section on my CurseForge page here. Actually have like, you know, a published app here, because all these people here are regulars. Coffee, we got Tyrell, Lucas, SP Joes, Ocelot, and Speedy. They're all regulars on the server. So you know, if your application's up there, you're most likely going to be a regular. So that means, you know, developing and using the API from this mod, developing your own app and actually publishing it, and being like, as well, you know, active in the community as well, so helping people out, you know, coming to these live streams, because like once I notice your name, I'm gonna like turn you to a regular basically. Can you please make an app be able to be opened from an app? Show a thumbs up if yes. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing something like that real soon. I don't want to thumbs it up because like my answer isn't just a simple yes or no. SPJs. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do thumbs up and thumbs down to confuse him. Can you add a game called Block Dash based off of Geometry Dash? I actually haven't seen Geometry Dash. Geometry Dash. Oh, one of those. Okay. I don't know if I'll be able to do it. Maybe, we'll see. We'll see. Hi, Mr. Govish, can you change or add the model of your CFM TV, please? What do you mean? I'm not adding it into this mod. I would install your mods, but my computer is a potato. Can we get a rip there for... I don't even know how to say your name, dude. I don't even know how to say your name. A rip. Just a rip. What did I miss? Not too much. We only just started like 10 minutes ago, so you're right here at the start of the live stream, dude. It's all good. Alright, so how we actually... You're wondering how, you know, how we're going to actually add this... How we're going to add this into Endermail. And it's quite easy. It's quite easy. You'd think it is a difficult task, but it's not. The Cray has got it handled. He's got it sorted. So here, hold up. Here, so email manager. Is that even a good thing to do? Yeah, I should really not do that. Should really not do that. It should be a completely separate thing. Alright, so you see here, right? Add email to inbox. So UID to inbox. That means we can get the why is that like that? To name. UID name get contains key. Oh, okay, the name is the user account name. Alright. So here we can do like alright, here we can do like we'll just create like another method. I need to move this outside of application email. It should not be in here. Should not be in here. And we can do that right now, actually. What a bad way to do that. Because we actually do have like a, you know, thing here. New Java class. Email manager. Alright, copy that. Because it just makes it difficult to know where everything is. It'd be different, like, it'd be different if it was, like, I don't know. I don't feel like it should be a, it shouldn't be a inner class. Should not be an inner class. The design was bad. I did it when it was, like, first created the application. When I first created the device mod. Things have changed now. The tables have turned. Cray should play Minecraft Story Mode. I actually haven't even touched it. I haven't even thought about touching it. I should probably check it out. Can you make a block hitbox to the laptop so you can like walk over it? Yeah, there is a hitbox to it. There is a hitbox to it. Maybe you haven't got the newest update. I want to sponsor you. You can, dude. You can, dude. And if you sponsor, you guys, just not for you, but everybody. If you actually sponsor, you get some cool custom emotes. Can our sponsors show that off right now? Can you guys flex on everybody? But yeah, get some cool custom emotes. We're working towards. Oh no, hold up. I think we got an extra one, guys. Yes, we can get a 4th emoji, guys. We can get a 4th emoji. Oh my god, can we? I'm excited. I'm excited. I'll have to get that sorted after the live stream. Or maybe we could even do it today. What do you guys think we should do for the 4th emoji? Oh my god. But yeah, you get some cool. You get cheese and crackers. You get this excited one. You also get derpy crayfish. So, you know, for when those times happen in the live stream, you'd be like, if something derpy happens, you post the derpy crayfish. If something exciting happens, you post the excited emoji. If we do a cheese hype, you post the cheese and crackers emoji. It's pretty simple. Hey Cray, I'm back from school, but I can still join the streams. Okay, awesome, dude. Welcome back, Noodle. Someone said, in my science class today, my classmates mix ammonia and bleach together accidentally and filled the entire room with chlorine gas. Holy, is that like bad? It was bad. My science teacher was angry. Cray, is IntelliJ good for you? What is your experience with it? Yeah, I really like it. Basically what I did is I downloaded it and then changed all the key mappings to Eclipse. There's actually already a setting by default, a preset by default to change all the key mappings to match Eclipse. So it's very easy to transition over. And it's faster, and there's things I like about it, especially debugging. Debugging is a little bit better on it. Some people just have a hard time switching from what they're used to. Yeah, that was me. That was me. But yeah, the whole being able to change the key mappings to match Eclipse made the transition very easy. But now I use it all the time, and I'm never switching back. Sorry. Alright, so we've done that. So we just want to get some errors going here. We want to get some errors going because I don't know where the errors are at. Show me the errors. Show me the errors. Oh my god, do not even talk about that meme. Do not even talk about that meme. I'm not sure if there's a way to like move it out of the class, like move a class in a class outside of a class in IntelliJ. There must be a way. Alright, so hopefully that removes all the errors. Oh, hold up, we still got another one. Send email. Whoops, no. I said that. No! I know we need to get rid of the import. Get rid of the import. Alright, there we go. And then we're going to create a new package object. Alright, let's see if this is possible. Because it'll make it easier. Generate, refactor, extract, parameter, is it that? Oh. Extract class, extract delegate. Cool. Email only. We'll create it in email.object. And then we'll call it email. Yeah, how can we... It's not extract. How can we move it? And let's see if there's anything IntelliJ move inner class to new file. Use move refactoring. Refactor. Move it in a class to another class. Maybe we can type object. What if we type the actual com.mrcrayfish. Device.programs email object email. Oops. Okay, that was not a good idea. Undo. Let's try that again. I want to figure this out because this could be useful for any time in the future where I need to move some stuff out. I'm on my table right next, but I don't know, my Minecraft got corrupt, so I have a new account. I can type commands almost instantly with my mouths. With your mouths? What do you mean by that? A friend of mine cussed at school today. How dare he! How dare he cuss at school? If you look at the source code, Super Circuit Maker mod, the guy who developed it was a total noob. Errors as far as the eye can see. Super Circuit Maker mod? What's that one? Super Circuit Maker mod. Yeah, I don't know. Cray playing the penguin, play the penguin song. No, Virus Kid. How dare you? How dare you even suggest that? That's the worst song. It's the worst song. We don't play it. We don't talk about it either. We don't talk about it either. Move. To upper level. Ah. Ah. Do refactor. Yes. Alright, there we go. Figured it out. I figured it out. So get attachment, get subject, get author. Not that difficult. Get message.
There's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out.
I think that's it. Let's give it a quick rebuild. Rebuild project just to make sure everything's all good. I'm gonna chill and watch the stream. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Alright, Noodle. What did he cuss at school? I have a legit gaming MMO G600 with gaming drivers. Huh? I don't know. How do I get the app you're using, Cray? Which one? The email application, or are you talking about the mod? We love the penguin song. No. Only you're saying that, Virus. We don't like the penguin song. And if I can hear the bird. Can you guys hear the bird? Cray, say hi to all my friends. Hey, friends. We never play the penguin song. No. If anything, you only request the song Little Bit. Can we get a request the song Little Bit and I'll play it? Cheese plus cookie. Nah, cheese plus crackers. Cheese plus crackers equals that. Alright, looks like we're all Gucci. Looks like we're all Gucci. Alright, so task mail, let's just say moved. Moved. Email manager and email outside of that's refactored email code. So we shouldn't have any sort of object in here now. Contact, but I'm pretty sure that's not even used. No, it's not. Oh, we should move that out anyway. So we learned this now, so we can go refactor, move to an upper level, email object, refactor, okay, boom, you're done now, big shock. So that's an upcoming feature. Haven't finished that out. Haven't finished that yet. To see you again. Do these have titles? That would have been a better option to implement a title into. Oh, wait, hold up. Maybe it is. Yeah, it does have a title. Should have probably implemented that into there. It's because this one's dynamic. Mind you, it doesn't need to be dynamic. Okay, I can fix that up. Hey Cray, you remember me? Of course. Oh wait, no. What's the username? Oh no, I think I do, because your name was hard to pronounce. I don't think you'd even pronounce it. Cray, can you make it so fences don't connect up with the laptops and stuff? Yeah, it's already been fixed. It's been fixed in the next update, dude. It'll be coming soon. Coming tonight. Coming tonight, guys. Can we get some hype right now, guys? Let's do a cheese hype right now, because I'm gonna release a new update tonight, 0.2.0. Adds. Oh, you guys have already got it. If you've got pre-6, you already pretty much got it. There are some new features in pre-all that are going to be in the initial release, and you'll see the entire change log that I'll write up. But let's go ahead, let's get some hype right now. Let's do some cheese hype. So if you guys don't know what to do, you simply go ahead, type in hashtag cheese hype into the chat, and then post a bunch of cheese emojis along with it. So let's go ahead, cheese hype in 3, 2, 1, boom! You done know. Big shock. Big wave. Big shockwave of cheese hype right now. Holy shoot. Big shockwave of cheese hype. Let's do it. Let's go it. Let's do it. Get it on. Holy God, you guys are going off. You guys are going off right now. Yeah. You know it's good when the whole entire chat fills up with cheese. Thank you guys for your amazing support there. Oh, holy shoot. Let's get some Racer Zero wants to continue the cheese hype. I like your style. I like your style, dude. Alright, so in email manager, we're gonna have a nice private void send notification. That really should not be a string, I'll tell you right now. Because it's UUID to inbox. Oh, hold up. Is that, or is that name to inbox? Okay. So we have to do UUID to name. This should be name to inbox. And let's just clean up. Don't need half of this. Java 8 is so much better. Know about the bird? What? I'm gonna play Modded Survival. See you later, guys. See you later, virus. Hey, Minecraft Doodler, what's up? How you doing? I see ya. I just got here. Is this also a short stream? No, it's not Haunted Cops. It's a normal one today. So add email. Does email contain? It does contain the author. Send notification, and I'll put email here. So we're gonna do some funky stuff. So Minecraft server equals FML common handler instance get Minecraft server instance. I think the server get player list, get players, get player by UUID. So you can actually do just that, pretty sure. Okay, so we need to do two. Because the relationship between these, right, is like the same the other way around. Like there will always be like a whoever's here can resolve back to a UUID. So there is a way to do this, and I did use it. I'm going to figure out where I used it. Core printer. Ignore that. Don't even know why that's there. Where is this? Here. So registered prints. Hash by map. This thingy. Alright. So if we do a hash by map, we can do... So this is actually the name. So we can say UID equals inverse get name. Right? So I'll say if ID doesn't equal to null. Let's say that. I'm guessing, okay, so it just uses a normal hash map. So we can do entity player MP like that, and then we say if player doesn't equal to null. Player is always true. No, it's not. No, it's not. Because, what if that's... Player entity list. Yo. Yo. Hold up, where's that? Get player by UID. So do ID. Yeah, no, I don't think that this is yeah, no, that's wrong. It's wrong. It's because I don't know why that doesn't actually come as an error. Is it really gonna return something? Because I feel like it's not gonna return it. So player entity list. Is this used anywhere? Get online plays. Let's have a look. Get we'll just do this. Ignore the warning that it's giving us. Nullable. That's bad. Never do that. Cray, I'm like, what's happening? We are working on a notification system, my dude. So I actually already implemented this. We're just implementing it into Endermail right now. So when you actually receive an email, you'll get a notification that you received an email. So it's going to be really awesome. It's going to be really awesome. And then we produce a notification. mail. And we'll say new email. And we'll say from email get author. We could resolve it to a name. I don't know, we'll just do the author name. Notification dot push to player. Alright. So it's basically whenever we add an email to the inbox. So add, you know, to email. Alright, so let's test this out right now. It should work straight off the bat. Should work straight off the bat. I gotta go. See you later, Noodle. The latest 1.3 snapshot allows you to tell it between dimensions with using portals using the execute command. Really? Using portals using the execute command. How's that work? So you can walk into a portal and it executes command? Give me some more information, Horde the Corpse. That sounds interesting. Can you tell Cray I gotta go because my mum needs me to get off? Without using portals. Ah! So you can use execute command to teleport. That's cool. Alright, so let's test this out. Mr. Crayfish. Oh, 1. I'm gonna register. Poop. Alright, so if I go to poop@endermail.com, subject test, did you get a notification? Ooh! Now that's cool. I like that. I like that. What do you guys think? Holy shoot, I'm gonna read that. What do you guys think? What do you guys think of that? That's awesome. Oh, let's do that again. Let's do that again. So, poop@endermail.com. Test. Look at that. New email from Poop. Now that I like. That I like. That's a 10 out of 10 right there, guys. That's 11 out of 10. New email from Poop. 100. Can you guys tell me what you think about it? Everybody, tell me what you think about it. I need to know. I need to know. Nice. Wow, 1 XP. Love it. Check your discussions page. What's up? Why? Alright, whatever. I reported the guy that said that. I didn't need to report him. Just needed a timeout. Stream phrase for me. Turn down equality. Maybe a buffering. Maybe a buffering. But yeah, that's really cool. That's awesome now. So you actually, know when when you actually get an email now. So obviously it only works if you're actually online. Or hopefully that's the case. Otherwise, I mean, that's Minecraft's fault. So that would be awesome to have on the server. Do I include that? Do I include this in the new I don't know if I do it. Do I include this in the new 0.2.0 update, guys? If you guys say yes, I'll push it in. 1 yes and I'll push it. Yes. I feel like when I'm on the server, right? When I'm on the server, people are gonna go like crazy with it. Oh yeah, I've got some updated news, guys. I want to tell you. I got some updated news for you guys. So basically, let me just stand over here. So basically, the whole ordeal that we're having with the whole device API test server, it not being EULA compliant, and that type of stuff. So basically, the test server is still a thing. The test server is still a thing. Everybody that's on it right now is going to stay on it. But the test server is going to actually be what it was designed for, a test server. So, okay, don't get disappointed right now, because I got something exciting to tell you. Alright? But the test server is going to be an actual test server. So if you really want to get on the test server and actually test out the mod, you either have to be a regular on Discord. Or you have to you know, show that you want to be an actual tester, and you can do that by submitting. I've still got to create it, but there'll be a form where you submit your username and that type of stuff, and then you also submit one good bug. I could say it could be like one good bug or a ton of small bugs. Link that in the actual form, so it could be issues you've well, I hope it is you've posted it onto my GitHub repository. Link those issues that you've posted in the actual form, and then if you want to get on the actual proper test server to test out the mod, find bugs, and that type of stuff, that will be the actual process. You'll go through a form, and then if we like what you've done, we'll go ahead and we'll add you to the server. We'll have to kind of verify issues. We'll have to create some sort of verification. To make sure you're not using somebody else's issues for your own advantage. But yeah, that's the test server. Now the good news though, is we've got another server. So this server is EULA compliant. And this is going to be the sponsors / Patreon server. So basically, to get on the server is the same price on YouTube. So YouTube is $5 US. Patreon is going to be $5 US as well. So they're kind of I guess like it's considered the same for everybody. It's different platforms, but it's still $5 on each platform. So I guess it's considered the same. So it's $5 minimum on Patreon. That's just how Patreon works. So it's $5 minimum, and then it'll be $5 on YouTube. Now I'm still gonna set it up. I'm most likely going to have to develop a plugin. I'm going to do it in my own personal time. But I'm most likely going to have to develop a plugin which automatically updates the whitelist. It's going to be a bit of work. I'm hoping I can do it. I can do it. So you'd have to basically for the whitelist to work, you'd have to sign into my website. Not sign into my website. You'd have to go through my website, log in with your YouTube account or Patreon account. From there, you'll have access to add your username to it. And then in the plugin, it will retrieve a list of the actual whitelisted users and update the one accordingly on the actual server. And then obviously when your Patreon or YouTube expires, it won't include you. So that's just how that's gonna work. So, it's not going to be out yet. It's not going to be out yet. But that's what the plan is, and hopefully I can pull it off. And it's going to be a survival server as well. It's going to be a survival server. So that'll be fun. That'll be fun. And it's also going to have the sponsor server, right? Not only is it going to have the device mod, guys. Not only is it going to have the device mod, it's going to have the furniture mod. The furniture mod, guys, and then eventually it's going to have the gun mod on it. So get ready for that. It's going to be some mayhem. It's going to be some fun times. I'm hoping to do some videos on it on my main channel as well to help promote it. So yeah, it's going to be fun. It is going to be real fun. I'm telling you right now. You want to be on it. You want to be on it. Alright. So, there we go. Alright, so I think, you know, we like this whole feature. Oh, I didn't actually refactor it. Alright, whatever. Get rid of that. Nah, I think that was it. Oh, hold on, okay. So, refactored email code. Ah! Why is that doing that? Close Minecraft. There we go. And then we'll say and a mail. Notifications. Nice. Eves. Which one is it? I think there's. Let's see, I spelled it wrong. Alright, publish. You should have an option to turn on or off notifications in the settings. Yeah, I will do something like that because obviously might get a little bit annoying. I can take you. Cray, did you just publish the mod? No. Alright, so core. View branch, compare to notification. Update from notification. Sync. We're gonna go ahead and should have added documentation. Oh well. I'll do it now. Yeah, whatever. We've got to document all of it. Rights. Oops. Rights. Don't know. And the tag. The notification tag. Sends this notification to the specified player. Send this notification to the specified player. Somebody's gonna like, I don't. Oh, it's not. That's not really possible. How am I late? Redstone Master, how you doing, Redstone Master? Haven't seen you in a while. Haven't seen you in a while, dude. Haven't seen you in a real good time. How you doing? People can get the latest update early, kind of because of GitHub. You just need Eclipse. Yeah, pretty much. Anybody can get the latest update straight away if they know what they're doing. But it's not a lot of people. Cray, the screen's black. Why is the screen black? What the heck? Darkness, hello, darkness, my old friend. Oh my god. Sends this notification to the specified player. I don't know. The target player. Documentation's the worst thing to write. We all dislike it. Cray, going to release the mod today. Yes! Yes! Cray, tonight I'm going out to play laser tag for like 5 hours. Holy shoot. That's gonna be crazy. I don't think you'll survive. Hey Craig, can you please tell me how to add model to Minecraft? It's not something I can explain in a sentence, dude. There's tutorials on YouTube. Pretty sure. Somebody touch my spaghetti. Apparently a dead. Even PewDiePie is certified as a dead meme now because he created it. He created it, and now it's a dead meme. Somebody touch my spaghetti. It's still funny to say. It's still funny to say though. Somebody touch my spaghetti. There's a PewDiePie fans in here. I know I will. I'm going with my friend. Cray, post the new server news to announcement. I can't do it right now. Because if I'm going to do it, it's going to be a big write-up. The notification. Alright, I need to figure out the notification. I don't know how to start this off. Oh my god. Let's see if I wrote anything for anything else. Yeah, it would all be in here. Component, dialogue. Layout classes. Okay. Let's say something like this. A simple way to create. I don't know how to start this off. That's why I hate documentation, because I just don't know how to write it. I do know how to write it, I just don't know how to put it into words. I want to describe it. I know, like, I don't know how to start with the first line. Like, there's going to be a part in here where I say this must this class can only be used on the server. Logical and physical. Yeah, this class side only. This class can be used as this class should, I say should, side only due to the nature of should work sent from the server to the client, sent from the client. I don't know if that's good on I don't know. Julian should have had a notification system works. A notification is sent from the notification is sent from the server to the client. Alright, so we can start this off by saying the notification. Notification. The notification. I don't know. The notification class for the notification system. The notification career. Notification object. That doesn't make sense. A notification sent. Due to the nature of how the notification works. This. An instance of this class is sent from the server to the client. The client then interprets. The client then creates at link client notification. Client notification and pushes. To Minecraft's Toast GUI. This class should only be used on a server. Side only to the nature of our notification search. The notification in this class is sent from the server to the client. The client then, I don't know if I'm making anything like saying things is exactly the same, because I say it should be only used on the server side. It's from the server to client. I mean, it doesn't make sense that, you know, a client would be able to send a notification to like another player. Like, you can actually, okay, so you can actually, if you're an app developer, right, you can either, you know, send an actual notification from the server to the client, or you can actually just use a client notification if you want to do like notifications just on the client. Just on the client only. Call your notification squad the notification class when you're working in the notification class. Y'all, the notification class. I don't know if that's a good idea. I had to go. This has been an amazing stream, dude. I hope you can get more progress. You're the best. Thanks, Shadow Wolf. Appreciate you. So if the notifications are server-side, technically the owner could make a plugin that broadcasts messages to the laptop by notification. Yeah. Or they can, you know, for their add-on, basically. For their add-on, right, they can create, you know, send a notification to people. So I do it for my actual email application, as we've seen already. This class should only be used on the server. Do the nature of notifications that works, a notification, an instance of this class is sent to the server. It's sent from the server client, the client then creates. I'm gonna push that to the last touch UI. Do the nature of how this works. It should not be possible for due to the nature of how Minecraft works. It's technically due to the nature of how Minecraft works. Due to the nature of how Minecraft works. Due to the nature of how Minecraft works. Notifications should be managed on the server. Notifications should be managed on the server side only. Server side. That is being should be sent from all right. This is so and due to the nature of how Minecraft and the make me due to the nature of maybe the device mod and should be sent a notification I don't know. This is the worst. Why I hate documentation. You spend like half an hour on this stuff. What even is that? I'm timing that out because it's just spam. Oh, we got raided. Raid by Caitlin. We got raided. I didn't even see the raid. I'm so... Who is this? Caitlin Talon. Oh my god. Who is this? Cheers for the raid. I'm checking out whoever this is. YouTube channel. Who is this? Where are they live streaming from? Yeah, that raid did not go too well. I didn't even notice it. I thought raiding on YouTube wasn't even a thing. But cheers for the raid, whoever that was. What are you working on right now? Deeper than just saying notification, like I mean currently. I'm only working on notification right now. The networking class. Interesting. This class. Too busy writing documentation. True. That's how much documentation sucks. It's distracting me because I can't just go off. This class is intended to be used on the server side only. I hate documentation. I know exactly what you mean. It's seriously, it's just trying to explain like how, like, because like this is for you guys to, you know, to get my point across and how it works. And it's like, you know, trying to explain how you should actually use this class. Because like, okay, the notification class, this strat should only be used on the server, logical and physical side only, because like, let's say for instance, for something like, you know, Ender Mail, right? That data is stored on the server because it's like a it's like, it has like a central database, basically a central database where, you know, that's where you request to check your emails from. You know, the emails aren't stored in the actual application data because that would mean you've only got the emails inside of your application and then nobody else can see it. It would be just a local email server just within the application. That wouldn't even make sense. So, you know, all emails are stored in just one location for everybody, right? And that's how the notification should work as well. Like, you can send a notification from the client using a client notification, but just this notification class, if you want to send it from server to client, if you want to send it from server to client, then you got to use this one. And it makes sense as well, because if you're having like let's say maybe let's think of another example of where you might actually use a notification on the server side. So let's say, because how the device mod works, right, is once you close off the GUI, that's it. That's it. The GUI is closed. You can't manage anything through that GUI. So if you want to manage anything, you have to do it on the server side. Alright, you have to do it on the server side if you want to manage anything. So let's say one thing could be a cookie clicker game, right? A cookie clicker game, right? So think about this for cookie clicker, right? Once you've closed the laptop off, it's closed. But if you want to kind of simulate the whole it's continuing to run type thing, so you can close the laptop, come back to it, and it's still generating, like, you know, cookies, you'd want to do all that kind of stuff on the server side, because if it's on the server side and it would always be running. Even if you like leave the game, come back, it's always still going to be running because the code's being run on the server. And let's say maybe you want to send a notification to that person when, I don't know, they reach a certain amount of cookies, or they, you know, get an achievement. Then because it's on the server, it's not. I don't think that's a good. I don't think that's a good way to explain it. Maybe it's. Do you guys have a good idea of what could be a good notification? I mean, yeah, server side also means people wouldn't be able to cheat with external programs. Yeah. So pretty much, if it's server side only as well. I mean, I don't think that's not something I can change. That's kind of just a perk of, you know, doing it. I mean, yeah, people wouldn't be able to cheat with external programs. Yeah. If it was like Cookie Clicker or something like that, if it's server side only, people can't cheat. And that's kind of more of, I guess it's not really like it's not a feature you implement. It's just like an unintended feature, but it's a good feature. I'm trying to think of a good example of why you'd use a notification. Let's, like, I don't know, for instance, like, I mean, like, there are times where using a client notification might be a good idea, because, like, you could go into the client, right? If you're on the client side, and you send a request, right, to maybe there'll be an inbuilt system in the future, but let's say you open up your application that you developed, right? When you open it, you connect to your website, which checks for an update. And let's say the current version you're using isn't the latest one, right? So that can all be done client side. You can say, oh yeah, send a request to your website to check if it's the latest version of this, you know, your app that this person has installed. If it's not, then go ahead, create a client notification. And that's more of just a local, you know, a client-only notification. That's an example of that. So you could push a notification to them saying, you know, there's a new update out. I'm trying to think of a server-side notification. Like, we've already got on with the emails, right? So, like, because, okay, basically, hold up, let's go Photoshop. It's getting serious now, guys. It's getting serious now. But I just want to explain it. I like explaining things. I want you guys to get the point across, because a lot of you guys are developers out there for the device API. So let's get something decent. 500 by 500. So hold up. So let's get this an instance. Like, I'll show you what I mean by like for the email application, for instance, right? So we have three entities, right? So this is server. Hope you guys can read that. That's a server. We got client or player one, whatever, player one. Player one. So player two. So these here are just These here are just like you running the game on your PC, Minecraft. This is actually a Minecraft server hosted, you know, in a different location. It's still the same as if you were having like an integrated, if you were just playing Minecraft in single player. This is still kind of applies the same, right? So, for instance, let's say we're talking about the Ender mail, how that actually works, right? So, we store all the emails for that on the server. Let's go ahead, let's see if we can we change the, is that a thing? Arrowheads. Oops. Ooh. Why is that weird? I do not get that. So, all emails are stored. Let me get the actual. So all emails there. All emails are stored. So emails. This is taking longer than expected. So emails are stored on the server. So let's say a person wants to get their emails. They request to the server, get their emails. And that's just how that works. So let's say player 1 sends an email to player 2, but the only connection they have together is actually through the server here, right? Let me make that a little bit better. Oops. Come on, give me a decent line. So the only connection they have is through the server, right? Because they can't, there's no direct connection here between them. So basically, so player 1 sends an email to the server, and then if they want to send that notification that, you know, player 1 has sent a notification, has sent an email to player 2, it has to be the server that handles it. They can't, you know, you can't just say send that to there. And they, yeah, no, you can't, and they can't create a notification off of here because there's no connection straight to player 2, you know. So all kind of notifications kind of have to come from the server. I don't know if that's a good explanation. Yeah, I tried. I tried. Can you time out everyone who says mail emoji or you got mail? You got mail. No. Everybody hashtag you got mail. Hi, I got it. I get it now. I don't know. It's like a, I don't know. Like if you want to send a notification to somebody else, you gotta do it to the server. I just don't know how to explain it. That's so weird. You got mail. Mr. Cavefish, I started this. You got mail. Oh no, this is the bad song. Uh-oh. Guys. Penguin song. Uh-oh. 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 Do we skip? Do we skip? I don't know if we keep this on. Don't skip it. No. Please, please. Please guys, don't put me through this torture. Alright. I don't like it. I don't like it. Oh, bit of a cough there. Oh, what's that song changed? Oh, that's a shame. I was enjoying that song. That song's alright. Now I'll skip it. Now let's do Little Bit. Little Bit, everybody. Can we get a hashtag Little Bit right now? We all know that's the best song. Yeah, now this is real. This is the real stuff right here. A little bit. This is my favorite song. This is my jam. This is my jam right now, guys. Like, this is our official song. This is our official song right here, guys, for live streams. Did we get if we sail a little bit high? I don't want to sing. I'm selling a plane on the test server. Jackson plays trying to get rich here. Is if we sail, don't know anymore. This is your 100th video, is it? Oh. Well, we're getting close to the next live stream. Is going to be our 75th live stream, guys. Let's get some 75th hype for the next live stream. It's going to be crazy. It's going to be cray, they say. Next one's going to be a 75th live stream. The 75th annual Hunger Games. There's going to be a twist in tomorrow's live stream. There's gonna be a twist. I think we might do some server fun tomorrow, actually. Might do some server fun. A little bit low. Alright. Design due to the Due to the nature of application design, due to the nature of application design in the device mod, all applications on client side application on client side namely due to the design. Let's see that there. Due to the design of applications. Due to the design of applications. They are only when the laptop what could it be called in the operating OS, when the device, make it more of a universal device, Cray is open. This means you can't run background tasks. This means you can't run background tasks. That's where the you can't run background tasks. Yeah. Except they only run when the device is on. This means that you can't run background tasks, and therefore have to run your code on the server side as always running. The implementation is up to you. It's up to you. That is always running. Due to the design of applications, they only run when the device GUI is open. This means that you can't run background tasks, therefore you have to run your code on the server, as that is always running. I mean, it is possible to do background tasks. It is possible to do background tasks on the client side, but like you don't want to. You wouldn't want to do it. You only want to do it on the server side. I'm from 3018. We have crackers on cheese. Dang. When can I get there? I want to go to 3018. Would you want to know what 1318 looks like? That is the real question. Would you want to see what life looks like 1,000 years from now? It's a scary question, actually. Think about that. Think about that for a second. Deep thoughts. Deep talk with Cray. What's beyond Earth? This means you can't run background tasks, therefore have to, therefore. Alright, now let's we're putting this in. I don't like when you actually write this means code can't be run in the background and therefore needs to be running. This means now and therefore especially I don't want to like talk about like it's not overtime live stream yet. It'll be overtime live stream in 23 minutes. 23 minutes it'll be overtime live stream. We left this rock and now sailing the universe lost and alone. Sailing the universe lost and alone. Trying to find a place where we belong. So really no different except the whole leaving the planet bit. Cray, check out the new plan before the server ends. Maybe, we'll see. Yo, dude, we spent like half an hour on this docks. This means code. This means code can't run in the background. And another implement. Code. Design. I'm gonna do like a whole new paragraph because this is like code can this means this means if you want to this means if you're wanting apps. That means if this means that if an application background task, it should be run. Shoot simulation. QBA, congrats! I plugged my PS4 controller to my PC. Congrats, dude. Bless. I'm working on my Sponge plugin. Do you think there's a way to hook into device API notification system from Sponge? Maybe. I don't know. I don't want like I don't want my notification system to be intended as like a kind of separate entire system from the mod, because it's supposed to be built for the device API only. Like, it makes sense if I actually, you know, created an API, just a notification library that people can use in their mods, and then I would probably, you know, create a way for people to hook in with Sponge. This means that if an application requires a background task, it should be. So for instance, if, say for instance, an email, so for instance, when an email, so for instance, an email action would have a central data to store. An email client would have a central basis. I'll say an email application. So for instance, an email application would have central basis, or its emails to store all its users. And these nights are getting shorter, lack of energy I'll conquer. In my soul, this is real. To all the users. To store all the users' inbox. Cray, what is Minecraft's Toast GUI? So basically, it's that whole notification thing. So when you actually do the tutorial, when you first join the game, when you get an advancement, that's Minecraft's Toast GUI, and you can push toast to it. It's not food toast. I know you guys are probably hungry. You're probably like, what's Minecraft's Toast GUI? Is that actual toast, like the food toast? No. It's a name for like a UI component that gives the person some information on the screen. So it's not really a notification. It's not technically a notification. It just gives some feedback to the user. So for instance, in Android, right, there's a thing called Toast as well. And basically, let's say if you press a button, right? Maybe if you press a button, right? And then, maybe there's an error. It will say, maybe it'll bring up a toast saying, can't connect to whatever, or something like that. Cannot retrieve emails. Cannot retrieve emails or something like that. So that's kind of what the toast is. So I don't know. We could just say Android or Android Toast. So if you have a look here real quickly, it's that little thing. It's that little thing. So usually it comes up at the bottom of your screen like that. Very common on Android. If you have an Android, you would have run into it at least one point in your life. Toast. I haven't had toast for a month. I need toast. So for instance, animation on how to survive when a player sends an email to another player. And it stores. Say for instance, ender mail. Now, say for instance, ender mail stores. Ender mail manages. Oh, it's manages. Ender mail handles. Stores and manages emails on the server. So here is as such, not designed. Such application. As such application is not designed to store in the local in the store not designed is not possible to work I just don't know. Is this a good description, or should we just like? Say for instance, blah, blah, blah. I don't know if I want to reference ender mail because I don't know if it's a good description or not. I really don't know if that's a good way to, like, you know, do it. Cray, what do you record videos with? I use Fraps. Fraps to record, OBS to live stream. Cray, release mod now. Yeah, I can't do it right now. 10 minutes into a hashtag overtime live stream. Somebody touch my spaghetti. Somebody touch my spaghetti. Oh my god. My hair is just all over the place. I don't know if I want to reference ender mail. I don't think it's a good way. I need to be like more generic. Typically Okay. I know I just got rid of that. Typically, you want to be able to send a notification to anyone on the server. It is not possible to do this from client. It is not possible to do this from an. It is not possible to do this from client from. It is typically you want to be able to send notification to anyone on the server. It is not possible to do this client side. You would need to send a task link at the task. You would need to send a task to the server. You would need to send a part to do this. Otherwise, you need to send a task to the server. Otherwise, we need to get rid of this. Typically, that's not really saying. That's not like I'm saying. I mean, I'm talking to the like when someone raises, it sounds like I'm talking to them, but it's not like it's not saying you. It's saying more of like a. It's more of like a very for anybody. Typically, you'd want to be able to send a notification to anyone on the server. It is not possible to do this from the client side. There's two options here. Either create background task on the server, implementation up to the or send let's over the line. Or send a task from my client. Most options to let's do that. It is not possible to do this from the client side alone. If specifically Oh god. Can we see a demo, Mr. Crayfish? Yeah, I can show you a demo real quickly, guys. So maybe some of you guys just joined in here. I'll show you guys what we just worked on, because a lot of the time here we've just been sitting on working on documentation. Goddamn documentation. Did you fix the app? What do you mean? Cray, when we release the mod today, I must know. I'll release it as some point today. It'll be up. Just, you know, watch out on Discord. Watch out on that. Let's check a little example here of this notification system in the works, because it is pretty damn awesome. It's pretty damn awesome if you ask me. So first of all, if we should go ahead and just click there, boom, have a look at that. So that's just a kind of a test, but we can actually have a look at a real example here. A real example. So you can actually just do that by just pressing the down arrow here. I'm going to redesign this whole thing, because like there's some components missing now because I've added more. But if we actually go to end email here and we just, no, I don't know, let's do cheese. If we go ahead and we just send an email to ourselves, cheese@endemail.com. Think about like I'm sending this email to somebody else on the server, right? So we send an email to somebody on the server, right? I want them to receive a notification that they've got an email, even if they're not on the laptop. Because like, how good would that be to know, you know, you got an email, you gotta go check your laptop. So if I send that, right, we just got a new email from Cheese. So we can go ahead, check our emails. We know there's an email there. Look at that. We can view it. Did you get a notification? Reply to them. Yes, I did. We should get another notification because we're sending an email to ourselves. It's kind of stupid, but you get the whole point there. But like, you know, when you're on an actual server and people send you an email, you'll get an email. I'm gonna quickly go to the toilet. I'll be back in a second, guys, but in 2 minutes it's gonna be #overtime livestream. I don't think I'm gonna make it, but #overtime livestream in 2 minutes, guys. Right now, I need to see them when I come back. I need to see them when I come back. I'll be back in 2 seconds.
Creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. Yeah. My bones crave your skin, temptation within, mistakes ignite the silence. Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. Set my heart on fire.
This is the end of Cyber this recording. Please don't take it seriously.
Oh, hey, I'm back. Oh my god. Hashtag come back, Cray. Somebody started the new hashtag. Oh my god. 3 minutes overtime. I'm back now. Long toilet hype. Oh my god. Toilet hype. You guys started something new here. Oh my god. Oh my god. You guys are crazy. You guys are crazy. Nah, I'm sorry about that, guys. Sorry it took a while there. But, you know, gotta do what I gotta do. Hashtag poop. Can we get poop emoji? Can we get poop emoji? You guys can do the poop emoji. We all know. Oh my god. The poop emoji. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Typically, you're going to send a notification to anyone on the server. There's two options to perform this. Either create if you want to run verification from the client alone, use use client verification and if you're not if intended use is to not just need to show the poop emoji is real. Cray, I like making mods too. You inspired me to make cool mods. That's awesome, Mr. Great White. It's a nice comment. That's a nice comment, dude. I hope I do. I hope I inspire many of you guys. I hope I inspire many of you guys to create mods. Yeah, it's not send. If you do, if just need to show you. If a notification, if a notification is needed to be produced, add C. On the client side only. Alright, there we go. Yeah, that's good enough, Doc. The icon, display, the title, the alternate, notification. This includes a subtitle. At param. The subtitle. Don't even care really. Alright, there, we've docked it now. We've docked it. Hashtag docked it. Hashtag docked it, everybody. Who said he didn't want to add the new features before 0.2? When will the update device API app tutorial come out? Soon. I might do one after this update because like this new update changed a lot of things, so might do a new one. Added docs to notification. Alright. So people are saying to go on the server. We might pop on for 2 seconds. See, I just want to, someone said check out the plane. Pop on for 2 seconds. Mr. Kavish, do you know the way? I don't know the way. I don't know the way. Nah, I know what meme you're talking about. Do you know the way? What happened to the Furniture Mod Community Edition? Oh, it's still there, I don't know. It's just I had a lot of projects working on and I had too many projects. Like, if you have too many projects, you can't get anything done. So I had to make like a, I don't know, I wouldn't say like, you know, it's abandoned, but like I would say it's discontinued for now. It's discontinued for now. Oopsie, let's not do that. Oops. Apparently someone's got a plane on here now. Another plane. Ah, here it is. Holy shoot, that thing's big. Oh, they're all up here already. Yo, this is GTA heist right here. This is a GTA heist right here. Where's the actual door? Is there a door? Ah. Oh wow. Dude, this is an... Oh my god, this is laggy. This is laggy. It's because of my chairs. I need to fix them up. I can fix them up easily. Holy shoot. It is laggy in here. Yo! We're taking this plane down! I'm taking this plane down! We're going down, Captain! We're going down, Captain! We're gonna jump for it! We're gonna jump for it! See you later, boys! Plane's going! Oh! That's a crazy plane, I love that. Oh, the boys jumped too. Hold on, we're gonna jump properly. Hold on. Top. We're gonna jump properly. I gotta land in the water. Alright, challenge, boys. You gotta land in the water. You gotta land in the water. Let's have a look back here. Storage. Where the USBs at? There's no USB storage back here. Ah, it's the toilet. Just me at the toilet. Hey, 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 hey! Hey, hey, it's a privacy! Cray's pooping! Cray's pooping right here. Alright, let's go out. Alright, boys, we're gonna jump it. I'm gonna jump in the water! Oh, the water! Ooh. Oh wow, it looks amazing underwater. Whoa. Whoa. I stay underwater. I'm a predator. I'm a predator, boys. I'm a predator, boys. I wanted to see the other plane because somebody said they built proper Casey Neistat first class area. Rooms, bathrooms. Ooh. Oh wow. Yeah. Restrooms and parachute. What's that one? Little exit. I think it's still under construction. Because they're missing some stuff. Have I got a Elytra? Whoa, so laggy. Meow. Meow. So fun. What? You gotta land in the plane and go through it. Gotta go through the plane. I'm coming in hot, boys. Woo! I went through the plane. Alright, let's try that again. Hold up. Oh, here we go. Oh, damn it. Missed it again. Ah, missed it again. Oh my god! Ah, the doors aren't open. I went through the plane. Did someone open the doors from the back? Oh my god. Oh. Oh, let's open the doors from the back here. Get those doors open. Alright, let's try this out. Alright, we're gonna do this. Should be a pretty piece of cake. Ah, I didn't get it. I was so close. It's so hard, that last bit. Alright, here we go. Oh, what the heck? Who blocked the doors? Yo, put those doors back. Ah, I didn't do it. Almost got it. Alright, here we go. Oh, I did it! No way! We did it! Oh my god. How is that possible? How is that possible? Can someone explain with science how that was possible? We just went through the entire plane and came out these back doors while staying, you know, flying. How? That was insane. Can anybody do that? Can anybody do that right now? Oh, gotta go coming in hot. Oh. I did it. I'll do it again. I've said it once and I'll do it again. Oh, whoopsie. Yeah, don't access a laptop mid-flight. Not really a good idea. Whoa, what's this? Yo. It's a Naubus figure. Must have been... Oh god, he pooped. He pooped. Nice fart. Alright, this wasn't supposed to be server fun. Alright, I said I was just going to come on and check out the plane. Alright. So, pretty much got that all done. So, I think it's a good point to end off the live stream right now, because we've got the notifications done. That was a very simple... It was a very simple feature, I'm not going to lie. We got Endermail updated with the notifications, and we just played a little bit on the server there, so that's a good point to end it off. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed this live stream today. If you have, make sure you go ahead, snap that like button, and also turn on your post notifications. Subscribe if you're new around here, so you get notified when I go live. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow for our 75th live stream. It's going to be good. We're going to do some server fun, and I will see you guys later. Don't spam blocks here all the time you're out.